I'm going to solve exercise 6.3. First question, read the question. State which pairs of triangles in the following figures are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. That is simple, you have to use it. So first triangle we will see. Here angles they have given. So we will check out for corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means what? Matching set of angles, right? Matching pair of angles. So here 60 degree, here 60 degree. That means in triangle ABC and PQR, A and P are matching pair. That means corresponding angles. 80 degree here. B and Q, C and R. So we will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40 degree. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity criterion. AAA similarity criterion. This is what they were asking, symbolic representation, right? The next one, sides they have given, corresponding sides. So we have to use which? So far we learned AAA similarity criterion, SSA similarity criterion and SAS. So here sides, all the three sides they have given. We have to find out the corresponding sides whether they are proportional or not. Then we can tell that by SSA similarity criterion whether it is similar or not. So what are corresponding sides here? So 2 and 4 I am taking. So 2 by 4, that is AB by QR should be equal to BC by PR. BC by PR, it is equal to AC by PQ. We should get it. Then we can tell that by SSA similarity criterion that is similar. So I'll just substitute here. 2 by 4 is equal to BC. 2.5 divided by 5 is equal to 3 by 6. Now this is cancelling 1 by 2. This is also cancelling 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Right? So you are getting 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SSS similarity criterion. SSS similarity criterion. Next question. Next one. See, here also they have given the corresponding sides. So we have to find out the corresponding sides here. So MP divided by DE. Okay. Then LP will be equal to LP divided by DF, then the remaining side LM divided by EF. So we'll substitute the values and see. MP 2 by 4, it is equal to 3 by 6, it is equal to 2.7 divided by 5. Now you see here anyway, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is anyway not equal to 1 by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 27 by 50. Right? That means MP divided by DE is equal to LP divided by DF. It is not equal to LM divided by EF. So therefore by SSA similarity criterion, triangle LMP and triangle DEF are not similar. Are not similar. Okay. Next one. See here, two side and included angle you have to check. Two side and included angle. So 70 degrees. So which are the sides here? Corresponding angles here. Angle M is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. Now 5 and 10 we am taking. So ML and LM divided by QR is equal to 5 by 10. It is equal to 1 by 2. The next one, MN divided by PQ is equal to 2.5 by 6. So removing the decimal, what we have to do? We have to multiply with the tens place. That means here how many decimals is there? After decimal, how many digits are there? Only one digit. That means unit place. You have to multiply with 10 on both the sides. Or you just remember after decimal how many numbers is, that many zeros you have to put it. Right? So 25 by 60. 25 by 60. Again, if you are simplifying, you will get 1 by 12. That means LM divided by QR is not equal to MN divided by PQ. That means triangle MNL and triangle PQ are not similar. By which criteria? SAS criterion, right? The next one, fifth question. Here also we have to check here corresponding sides, but here you see angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F, corresponding angles. And this side also we can take BC by EF is equal to 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2. But see here angle, this is not included angle, included side. Therefore, this is not similar. This is not similar. Because it is included angle, it's not coming. Included angle sides, one side they didn't give you the ratio. So here it is not equal, right? Only 1 by 2 you are getting, but you are considering DF by AC should consider. So it is not equal. That means they are not similar. Next one. Angle B should get it actually. Angle B is not equal to angle F, you can consider. That way also you can take. See here, one more way we can consider. BC by EF also you can consider. And this BA. AB by DF you can consider. That is 2.5 by 5. That is also 1 by 2. But here angle, you should get angle B is equal to angle F is equal to 80 degree. You have to get it. But it is not equal. That's why they are not similar, right? Now, the next one, in triangle DEF you consider. In triangle DEF, I am going to add angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So, angle D is 70 degree plus 80 degree plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. That means angle F is equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. So here you are getting 30 degree. Then in triangle PQR, one angle is missing, right? That we are finding out. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Here you can write angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Now angle P is not given. So angle P plus 80 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. That means angle P is equal to 180 minus 110. So angle P is equal to 70 degree. So in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, what you are getting? Angle D is equal to angle P is equal to 70 degree. Angle E is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree. Angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity criteria. I hope you understood this video. Thank you.